struck me the most so far is how friendly the people are. You probably went to Thailand or some other Southeast Asia country, and it's always very, very friendly people, but Myanmar is one level up. It's like people are super friendly. They're extremely service oriented, they help you out, so whenever you have the chance you really have to give it a try, even though the internet is not the best so far. If you want to work here, it's probably that's going to be a disadvantage, but if you just want to enjoy your time and have like great people around you, great service, you definitely have to go. Second experience is that it is rainy, and when I say rainy, like really rainy. Especially the south. North is perfect, as you can see. Yes, I'm cheating a little bit. I'll make this video a little bit later. So the reason why we started this trip in Yangon was because my business partner and friend Julius is living there at the moment.
And I know his name, but I do not know his music.
And we thought about what we could do, and we decided to go on a cruise over the Yangon River to see the other not so touristy side. We decided to spontaneously basically to rent a few scooters to go with a few locals and see some sights. Was beautiful because we saw some young children and some young guys playing football right next to this beautiful temple that you can see here, and the guy praying at the same moment. So it was a really nice, diverse moment that we could catch there. That's how clubs look like in Myanmar.